Step number one, getting over 1,000 followers on Instagram in just 24 hours is you need to make sure that your page is set up correctly. Because here's the deal. If your page is set up incorrectly, you can post the best content in the world, but it's not going to find the audience that actually wants to follow you because Instagram's going to be showing your content to the wrong people. Okay, so here's how you're going to determine whether or not your page is actually set up. There are a few different tests that you need to actually run through your page. The first one is you need to make sure that you come over to your page on a computer and you want to click this little button right here. What this is then going to do is pull up suggested accounts under your audience. And essentially what this is going to tell you is whether or not Instagram is classifying your content correctly. Now we can see right here that Nick posts about finance, and so does this person, so does this person, so does this person, so does this person. And if we scroll over, so does this person, so does this person, and so does this person. Now, what that means is that Instagram is actually classifying his content correctly. And there are 3 reasons that they're classifying his content. First and foremost, if we come over here and look at his description, he has several different things in here. Fixed credit, credit evaluation, credit score, those are all good. But then in addition to that, if we actually look at his story highlights right here, he has credit repair, credit review, best cards, and then if we come over to his content, what you're going to notice is that in the hook of every single one of his piece of content, and if we come into his description, we're going to see that he has those same exact keywords show up, and he's getting people to comment stuff that's related to that. And essentially what happens is after he does this for a few weeks, or after you do this for a few weeks, it actually warms up your page inside of the Instagram algorithm so that they push your content out to more people. Now, there is one other thing that you could do if your page isn't getting shown to the right content and to the right people. For Nick, he is, but if we come over to Mike right here, we'll see that he is in the same exact niche and he is doing one thing differently than Nick. And again, if we come over here, we see the same exact thing, that his content is getting shown to the right people because all these people under here are in the same niche. The one other thing that Mike did different is inside of his name right here, he puts the credit guy, and essentially what you should do is just put whatever your niche is inside of your name. For example, if we come over to my Instagram page, we could see that I do this right here with Rob the AI guy. I post about AI on this channel, which is exactly why I put AI guy inside of my name. Now you don't need to name yourself your niche and then guy, or your niche and then girl. You just want to make sure that your niche shows up inside of that name on Instagram. But that was just the first change. The second change is way more important now that we're in 2026, and that's that you need to make sure that you're posting anywhere from 2 to 5 trial reels every single day. Because here's the deal. Trial reels aren't just going to expose your content to non-followers. They're also going to do 3 other things. 1, they're going to get you more followers, more likely than not, than all of your other content on Instagram. 2, they're going to actually show you what content you should be posting on your main feed. So essentially what you should be doing is, let's say that you're going to make a video about affiliate marketing or whatever topic you want to make content on, you should do anywhere from 2 to 5 trial reels on that topic on Instagram. Then you want to take all those, post them, and then whichever ones of those does the best, that's the one that should actually show on your main feed. And then in addition to that, this content is solely going to get shown to 2 types of people. 1, people interested in whatever the topic is that you're talking about, and 2, people that have never seen your content before. So guess what? If you're posting 3 to 5 trial reels, then 3 to 5 new people, or 3 to 5,000 new people really, if you're getting thousands of views on those, are going to find out about you every single day. And then those people are going to be eligible to see all of your additional content that you are posting on Instagram. And this is exactly why these trial reels are so important. In fact, I think it's probably the most important feature right now on Instagram as we head into 2026. But we can't stop there, because you also need to make sure that you are posting content that Instagram actually has a very large audience for. And this is actually easier than ever before for you to be able to figure out, because there's a new AI tool that lets you actually predict how many views you could get before you ever create your content. Check this out. Now that AI tool that I'm talking about is ContentBuddy.ai, because they make it 10 times easier to go viral on both Instagram and TikTok. Because if we come over to Content Buddy right here, you're going to see that they have this video views prediction tool where we could click over here and we could actually predict how many views we're going to get on a topic. And it is as simple as this. You simply just come over here, choose what platform. For the sake of this, it's going to be Instagram Reels. We could choose what we're actually going to talk about. For example, ChatGPT hacks. And then we go through and actually just fill out a little bit of information information on the topic that we're going to be posting about from other posts that we found on Instagram. And then we'll be able to click on predict views right here, and we'll be able to scroll down, and this will actually tell us how many views we could potentially get on this topic. And what this is going to allow you to do is, one, figure out what topics are working best in your niche, and two, figure out incredibly easily what you should be posting about. On top of that, the value with Content Buddy doesn't stop there. If we come over here, we could see that this allows you to easily discover exactly what is trending in your niche. And if we come down here, we see AI Video Remixer, where you could literally take the URL to a video and get a brand new script, brand new hook, brand new description, and brand new hashtags. You could figure out what keywords your audience is searching for. You could figure out the best hashtags used. They even have this tool right here where you could upload your Instagram Reels before you publish them in order to get feedback about what Instagram's AI algorithm wants you to change about your content. You could figure out the best time to post, and you could even generate covers for your content so that you get clicked on more often. And the best part about ContentBuddy.ai is you can go to the pinned comment below and get started with it today for only $1. Please don't let $1 be the difference between you blowing up on Instagram or you failing to grow. In fact, Content Buddy has been my secret weapon to gaining over 70,000 followers on Instagram in a really short period of time. Now, before I get into the last and most important thing that you need to make sure you're doing if you want to get more followers on Instagram, we needed to talk about step number 4, and that is that you need to make sure that you're optimizing for the right type of engagement. In fact, there are 3 types of engagement you need to be focused on getting. The first type of engagement is going to getting people to repost your content, because here's the way that a repost works. Let's say that I have 70,000 followers. I think I have like 75,000 followers right now. If I reposted your content, what would happen is your content would then be eligible to get shown to all 75,000 of my followers if they were online and they were interested in whatever you're posting about. Now, I want you to think about this. If you get your followers to do that, what's going to happen is they might have 10,000, they might have 20,000, they might have 2 million followers, and then what ends up happening is your content ends up getting way more reach, but more importantly than that, you actually get the cosign of that person saying, hey, I like this person's content, which increases the odds that 1, not only their followers continue to see your content, but 2, that they end up following you. Now, type of engagement number 2 that you need to make sure that you're going after is going to be getting people to comment on your posts, and there's a very specific way for you to actually do this, so let me show you. And when it comes to getting comments on your content, Emmy is a pro at this. So I wanted to show you exactly how she does this. If we come over to her content and we scroll down a little bit, we could see that she recently posted this video right here that got 1.7 million views. Now, if we click on this video right here, we could see that she's doing a few things right. 1, she has a great text hook right here. 2, she has a great visual right here, which is really capturing people's attention. But if we come over to her caption right here, which is really what I want to focus on right here, we could see PS, comment link for a link to where I buy my sweet potatoes online. Now, this video is all about the sweet potatoes that she eats that I'm going to guess are going to be healthier for you for whatever reason. And then she's getting you to comment link. And then look at this. There are literally thousands, if not tens of thousands of people that have commented link on this. And if we come over to any of her really popular videos, we're going to see the same exact thing. For example, if we come over to this video right here, 229,000 views. And if we click on it, we are going to find the same exact format here. This one is about a different topic, but we have a really good hook up top. We have the visual right here. And then if we come over to her description again, comment guide for my exact times and temperatures to follow for perfect consistency. And again, if we come down here, tens of thousands of people have commented this. So basically what you need to be doing is using comment to DM automation in order to get more people to comment, because this is the easiest way to increase your engagement. And then what you're going to notice is sometimes she uses a comment CTA, but then the rest of the time she uses a follow CTA, like in this one right here. She's just trying to get people to follow her. So you want to switch these up where sometimes you're trying to get reposts, sometimes you're trying to get comments, and then other times you're trying to get follows. And that last type of engagement that you need to make sure that you're going after is getting people to follow you. And the way that you want to do this is twofold. 1, you want to do it at the end of your description, and you want to do it in the last 3 seconds of your video. And what you need to do is think about what the hook of your video is and then create a call to action that is based on that. For example, if I was going to put a call to action in this video or a video like this one, what I would say is hit that subscribe button if you want to grow faster on Instagram, because obviously you want to grow faster on Instagram. You're watching a video about getting getting 1,000 followers on Instagram really fast. So what you need to do is just reverse engineer that for whatever you are actually posting content about. And this should change every single time that you're posting a piece of content. And what this does is the viewer is already satisfied at the point that they're going to see that at the end of the video. And then they're most likely to actually end up following you. And when you do it in a really short period of time, like 2 to 3 seconds, it doesn't actually impact the average view duration, doesn't impact that viewer's perspective of you. All it does is increase the odds that they end up following. Now that last and most important thing is actually a mindset shift for you, because this is the way that you need to think about this. When you gain 1,000 followers on Instagram, or 10,000 or 50,000, it is going to come in a really short period of time. But it might take 20 posts, 30 posts, 50 posts for you to actually get that to happen. And this is really what I want you to understand, is that 95% of your followers on Instagram are going to come from 5% of your posts. I have helped thousands of people grow on Instagram. Every single one of them that reaches 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 followers, guess what? All those followers came from just a handful of posts, but it might have taken dozens, if not hundreds of posts for that to actually happen. So you need to just keep moving forward and understand that you're one post away from changing your life on Instagram right now. So please don't get discouraged. Don't feel like you're getting set back or anything like that. And if you want further help growing on Instagram, I personally want to help you the same exact way that I help this creator grow, this creator grow, and this creator grow. I want to work with you one-on-one and help you grow faster too. If that sounds interesting, well, please check out this video right here that walks you through 3 different ways we can work together one-on-one, and I can help you grow faster and you could finally get the followers and the views that you want. I'll see you over there.